In this SolidWorks tutorial, we're going to explore some of the more advanced drawing views for in drawing mode. So let's go ahead and put down one of our sample parts we have. Just a basic plastic part with internal features. Go ahead and put our ISO view down. Move this over here. Go ahead and change the scale. So to show the internal features, what we're going to do is we can show hidden lines here. You can see the snap ring groove and the chamfer at the top. We're going to do a section view up at the top. It's going to give us directions to cut. We're going to have it vertical and it should snap into the center. Hit OK. We can place that there. Then if we want, we can go ahead and place our top view like so. So that way we can better show some of the internal features in our section view to give the machinist a better idea of what's going on. And then for small intricate features, we can do a detailed view. So we click our detail view tool. It brings up a pencil icon. We draw a circle around the area where we want to show the closer up shot of it. We can place it wherever. That way we can better dimension that internal groove. So now we have two better views. We can start dimensioning this slot here, and this section view gives you a better idea of, okay, there's a chamfer at the top, there's a through hole, and then there's a groove down here, a certain dimension from the bottom. Very handy tools and views to use on your drawing for the machine shop or customer. Comment below if you want to see any other drawing tutorials with advanced views. Share this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.